So we want extra FAR to benefit the people also, right? We want more shops, we want more revenue and everything coming to the corporation. So that is also in process.
But it is already in process.
It is in process, it's in process.
So what are you asking voters this time?
So see, what I want to ask Profi is just vote for what you see and what you feel that is correct. Now we have been there consistently for 5 years. Okay? We have not left the city. Minister's office has been open throughout the year. Our office has been open throughout the year. The moment there are issues, we resolve all those issues. See, we are not appealing based on emotions. That is not what we want at all. We are asking you to just see. I remember 5 years ago, right? People had not seen a single CCP worker on the roads. They did not know who the supervisor was. There was garbage all over the place. We came there and we changed all of that. My staff wake up at 6 in the morning. I'm there in the morning to check on them. At 6:30, we see, Papa, what has happened to Panjim also now. See, now if your Prime Minister also acknowledges your state and the corporation, no, it's not a small thing. It's a big thing. Out of a population of 1.5 billion people, if he acknowledges your city, it's something to be proud of, right? So we are working towards that.
So it's Panjikar against casino movement will impact upcoming CCP election.
See, that again, I told you, it is all politics. Okay? If they have the intention to shut casinos, then they should do whatever they feel is correct. They cannot target the corporation. We have nothing to do with it at all. Let them go to the ministers and the chief minister and everything. We'll have actual control over it.
Casino लागून पणजीकरांना त्रास जाता तो सपोर्ट करता काय?
See, that is what. See, my stand on the casinos is clear. I have told you 100 times. It is not changing also. If there is an alternative to the casinos in Panjim, I'm more than happy to take it. But until then, until our businesses, until our locals, until our boys and all benefit from it and they have jobs, and they, see these people now, no, tell them to go to the casinos outside and tell them every one who comes out, no, tell them that these people have no right to feed their families and all. See if they do that also now.
So today we got the Babush Monser.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बाबूश मनसेरा पणजी एमएलए तू मेयर आशिल्लो पण पणजीचो मार्केटाचो इशू अजून रिजॉल्व जावंकूच ना
Which
तेंची मार्केट इशू
see, Papa, that issue has been there for 25 years. See, I'll give you. See, now that issue also, no, that had progressed nowhere. Even when Suren was mayor, that issue had not progressed anywhere. It was us that basically got all the paperwork done. He used to shout. See, Suren would start every meeting, no, with a list of all the things that have not been done. I see that thing was a list of all of his failures. Whatever he has not acknowledged, we have done during our tenure also. So that is all I want to say.
न्यू फेज केन्ना
Sorry? That again, I have explained to him. We are applying for zone change for conversion. So more people get shops and we can, the revenue of CCP will increase.
सीसीपी बिल्डिंग पण नवी येवपाची आशिल्ली
There is a CCP also now. We are planning on approaching the PPP board to get it done also. So we will approach the CM's office and get it done through that. Not an issue. We will see once elections are over. Nobody just check and see what the process is.
The Voice for Coin.